Africa Content TV.
Abdulaziz Lawal, Vice Chairman. Alhaji Ganiu Ayinde, Vice Chairman. Chairman, Deputy Treasurer, you should come up here. You are a comrade, or you are a chief, or you are a lad, or a manager, or you are a very good. Yes, madam, kí ló ṣe ibẹ̀ náà kí ni fọlọ́ mi náà? Ẹ̀yin náà wà bẹ̀rẹ̀ lè kọ̀ọ̀kan kí ni fọlọ́ mi bẹ̀rẹ̀ náà? Jẹ́ kó rọ̀. The state we have now is very, very important. If not fundamental. Without this, whatever we are doing, legally speaking, is not a word. Once an election has been done, ESCO has been, been elected, there must be a foreign hand for them to take the vote of office, and that is what we are about to do. Please let us start.